Good morning, Internet. This is Jennifer Ferran, and I'm live from Simply Floors in Westchester this morning. I am one of the rest of you who's been cooped up, and we are closed for retail business today, but I wanted to come in and get out of the house a little and just chat. I'm calling it my cooped up chat. Today I wanted to talk about stains because we are all stuck home a little bit more right now, and that probably means a little bit more stains and oopsies and things like that. So right now, right before I started this video, I posted a link to our website with a very comprehensive guide for how to clean carpet. It has all different kinds of foods, beverages, things like that, and it tells you exactly what method and what cleaning supplies to use to get those clean. You can see the website and all of our information right here on this piece of paper. So if you go to our website, it's there. But on Facebook, I also posted a link right to the cleaning guide for the carpet. So again, I just wanted to come and say hi because, stuck at home like the rest of you, and figured I could help out a little bit here and there. I also thought, in the next couple days, I would do this every morning for just a few minutes, and maybe we could talk about trends, things in flooring that are popular right now, even paint colors, other home decor, maybe even, just other design ideas. If you have a project in mind, I can actually show, a couple products. You can email me again. My email's right here. Email me ideas that you have in mind. I can send you pictures of products I think would work. And if you have dimensions, I can even give you kind of a ballpark quote. So while we're waiting and stuck in our homes, as you're daydreaming about things you want to get done, I just wanted to let you know I will be here every morning for a few minutes just to chat. And any questions you might have about flooring or any questions you might about home design, I would love to just talk with you, connect with you. And like I said, if you email me questions, I'll try to address them on the next time I'm on. I plan to be on every morning right around 9:30, depends on how early I can get out of the house. But I figured this way, even if I just sit here and talk to myself, I get out of the house, bring my daughter with me, she gets out of the house, gives us a little bit of breathing room. So today I want to do, again, like I said, just introduce myself, let you know I'll be here in the mornings with my tea or my coffee. Hopefully you can join me. And like I said, if you have any specific questions, either email them to the email here or call, and I'll try to talk about them on the next time I'm on. Otherwise, if you have an actual specific project in mind that you're daydreaming about while you're, staring at your floors all day today and tomorrow, email me any details, and I will try to actually show you product here at the store. I can't bring you in, but I can surely have a camera and walk around with you. And if you, like I said, you give me dimensions, I would be happy to work up a price. So I think that's probably all I'm going to do for today. Tomorrow, I think I will go over a little bit of product knowledge. I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of vinyl plank, but it's very popular right now, and it's also pretty confusing, I think, for some people. So I think I'll grab a couple examples of that tomorrow, and we'll go over the differences. So again, if you need anything, you can email us or call us. We are checking our phones every day. So if you have any emergency, a flooded basement, or you're moving into a house and need carpet right away, we are still checking our emails and our phone every day, so we can still assist you in any way possible that way. Otherwise, I plan to be here every weekday just to sit and chat for a few minutes about, flooring, home design, anything you guys really want to talk about that we can help you with. So I'm going to end the video today. But like I said, if you have any questions you want me to talk about, a topic you want me to talk about, email those to me and I'll do that tomorrow. Otherwise, have a great day and try not to get too cooped up. Bye-bye.